welcome back to our channel. I am on air. Today I am going to do a project for school, that is how to make paper out of waste paper. So get ready with some waste paper, strainer, fabric, flat surface, and let's get into it. First, the paper into very small pieces like this. Now put these pieces into a bowl of water. Make sure water is enough for soaking and let them soak for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. Let's blend them in a blender. This is how it looks after blending. Now mix this into some water. For me it looks so thick, so I am adding more water. We need to mix it continuously to get even mixture. Now we need to dip our strainer into the mixture so that the pulp will come into the strainer when we take it out. It should look like this after we take it out. Let's drain the excess water and transfer this onto a plate. Now place the net or cloth on top of the mixture and squeeze the excess water using the cloth or sponge. Press it gently all over the surface and repeat the process until all the water squeezed out. Then drain the excess water and remove the net from the pulp. And remove the net from the pulp. Now remove the plate from the strainer and carefully transfer onto a cloth. If you cannot do it on your own, you can take your parents' help. Gently tap on top of it and then remove it. Don't worry if it is not perfect. And then transfer this onto a flat surface and cover it with another cloth and press using rolling pin to remove remaining water. And let it dry for 1 day. I also tried one with periwinkle flower and another with rose petals. Thanks for supporting me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.